Hello kids. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 12, Changing Times. Aims and objectives. To know the importance of house being made according to prevailing conditions. To tell different types of houses. To tell children about partition of India. Chetan Das is sharing his old memories in the chapter. Chetan Das was a teacher. Look at the picture, children. This is a picture of Chetan Das. It means he is Chetan Das. Many years ago, he used to teach children like you. These days, he spent his time by writing about the days when he was young. Chetan Das is sharing his old memories in this chapter. He used to live in Dera Ghazi Khan, which is in Pakistan. Our country, India, was divided into two parts in 1947. India and Pakistan. Many people went to India from Pakistan, and in the same way, many went to Pakistan. Now, Chetan Das remembered the time when he was 9 years old. It must have been over 60 years ago. That was when he lived in Dera Ghazi Khan. Today, this place is in Pakistan. At that time, there were a lot of problems all around. Chetan Das could not understand what was happening. One day, his Baba told that they had to leave their village and move to another place. Chetan Das was sad to leave his house and village. Now, look at the picture, children. This is a map of India. And here you can see that the portion which is shown by green is Pakistan. Before 1947, it was the part of India. Now, it is a different country named as Pakistan. Chetan Das left from Dera Ghazi Khan in Pakistan and moved to another place in India. Whole family of Chetan Das along with some other families took a train and came Delhi. Chetan Das and his Baba, Amma, younger brothers and sisters took a train to come near Delhi. Like them, many people from their area also moved. People were saying that their country was being divided into two parts, India and Pakistan. Many people from India went to Pakistan just like they moved to India. For some time, they all stayed in a camp. They lived in big tents that were put up in a huge ground. After some days, they were given land in Sona village. One day, Chetan Das Baba told that they had been given some land in Sona village. They built their house themselves. They built their house there. Chetan Das Baba and Amma worked hard to make the house. Children also helped. Baba dug the soil and all children quickly filled the pans and passed them to Amma. Gudiya, Chetan Das' sister, and Amma mixed husk in it. Chetan Das Baba put up the walls. They brought cow dung from nearby houses. Chetan Das' Amma mixed it with the mud. She coated the floor with the mixture just like she used to do in their old house that was in Dera Ghazi Khan. Time passed. Chetan Das got a job of a teacher. Before Chetan Das' marriage, they repaired their house and built one more room. For making new room, they used iron, cement and unbaked bricks. Now, Chetan Das finished his studies and got a job. Amma Abba wanted him to get married, but Chetan Das thought that before he got married, they should repair their house and build one more room. In those days, people in cities were using cement. They said that this made the house stronger. They also thought that they would use cement. They used iron and cement for making the roof of the new room. In those days, unbaked bricks were also available in the market. They made the walls with unbaked bricks. The use of bricks was useful. They did not need to coat the walls every week. Once a year, they would whitewash the walls. One kitchen was built in courtyard. Kitchen had mud chula and place to keep the vessels, as you can see in the picture. Then Chetan Das got married to Suman. After some time, they made toilet with unbaked bricks behind the house. Now, Chetan Das had 3 children: elder son Raju, younger Montu, and daughter Simmi. After 15 years, Simmi got married and moved to Palwal. Before marriage of elder son Raju, Chetan Das decided to get the house ready for new bride. Now, baked bricks were used, put lintel for roof, marble chips and cement were used for strong and fancy floors. Kitchen was made bigger and instead of chula, now gas was being used. In toilet, pipes were used to take away the waste. Chetan Das' younger son moved to Delhi as he got job there and settled there. Suman and Chetan Das stay with Montu for some months in a year and with Raju in Sona for the rest of the time. On the way to Delhi from Sona, they passed through Gurugram to meet younger son's family. Now let's recap through web charts. Material used in building house in olden days. In olden days, cow dung, mud, husk, wood, etc. were used to build a house. Material used in building house nowadays. And nowadays, cement, bricks, iron, steel, sand, tiles, etc. are used to build a house. Now, Chetan Das is 70 years old. In all these years, he has seen so many changes. So children, through this lesson, you come to know about how the time changes. I hope you have understood the chapter well. Thank you.